Hi everyone, in this video we are going to look at using the dictation tool on a Windows PC that will allow us to talk instead of typing. In order to do this, we'll first go down and click the Windows Start button, and from the list select PC settings. If you do not see PC settings on the right, you may see a gear on the left hand side. That gear will also take you to your PC settings. Once we have this open, in the top, we're going to search for dictation and choose ease of access dictation. It's going to give us directions for the talk instead of type, as well as the option to dictate text and control your device using only your voice. We're going to start with the talk instead of type. You're going to select the Windows logo key and the H key on your keyboard, and I see a pop-up that is asking me to go to settings and turn on online speech recognition. I'm going to go ahead and do this and toggle this setting to on. At this time, I'm going to push the Windows H key again. I'm going to go ahead and minimize. Once it has finished initializing, I am going to click on the microphone in order to begin dictation. I want to write a sentence, period. Stop dictating. You can use the word stop dictating in order to turn it off or select the microphone. If you don't want this tool up, you can click the X, and then once you've turned it on in the settings, at any point you can use Windows H to pull it back up. This dictation bar will work throughout all the different things that you use on your Windows computer. If you would like to utilize the full version of Windows using your voice controlling your computer, you will go back into PC settings. We're going to search for dictation again, ease of access dictation, and then toggle on the turn on speech recognition for our whole computer. There are prompts that you need to go through in order to make this work, choosing what type of microphone you are using, setting up your microphone, adjusting the volume of your microphone, making sure that it's not too loud. You can also choose to enable document review if you would so like. Choose an activation mode and how you want it to begin listening, and then view a reference sheet at any point if you would like. Once you have next, you can then choose to run the speech recognition on startup and select next. There is a full tutorial that you have the option of going through, and you can see that I have my speech recognition toolbar at the top. Do be aware that your computer will be listening if you use this option and it is turned on. So you may want to make sure you go through the tutorial to ensure you understand how to work the different features of that full out dictate text and control your device using only your voice.